Hi everybody, it's Stephanie here at Bella Blvd's booth at Creativation. So excited to show you, this is my personal favorite collection. It's called Mom Life. It's a companion collection to Dad Style. So this is all about the super busy, but yet very fashionable mom. So mom is giving baths, mom is playing, mom is shopping, mom is snuggling, mom is cooking dinner, mom is snuggling again. Sleepy kids, like just so much always happening in all of our lives. So we really wanted to have that take on mom life. So we have some diamonds because every mom loves diamonds, and pictures drawn from your little kids, along with some house plants and cactus, a little bit more trendy there. And then florals. And the borders are great here. It includes like a kid taxi SUV, some pineapples, days of the week, planners, like all the stuff that we're always just trying to do and keep up at the house, and the daily details as well. So just some really fun, versatile patterns with pinching pennies and the diamonds again. Also, the cardstock sticker includes this really cute little mask that says Mama Needs a Nap. Love that. Everybody's loved that, along with the SUV again. And the paper die cuts. The days are long, but the years are short. That's most definitely a phrase that, keyed this collection as we worked on it, along with the coordinating felt pennants with the wooden sticks, now super cute. And then, of course, the collection kit. So this is Mom Life from Bella Blvd, shipping in early February.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!